Hi all, welcome to our Vision Board community. So today we have a special guest, Shago. She will give us some kind of inspiration story, how she cracked the interviews and how she achieved this much of package from the back, like a previous package to this one. So that's why I invited to Shallow this community. So Shallow, are you there?
Yes, Devi.
Okay. Shallow, we are waiting to hear about your story actually.
Okay. Thank you so much, Devi. And hello, everyone. I wanted to share my journey that how I achieved this goal. And previously, I was a business analyst and I was working on a functional domain related work. After that, I moved as a data engineer in Capgemini. And there I have done some training. But after that, only if you are working on the project side, then only you are able to achieve a good knowledge and you are able to crack the interviews. But after that, I because of the COVID, I didn't get a good project. Only 6 months I have worked, and after that, my learning stopped. It's because it was the initial stage of my learning phase of a data engineer. I Anyhow, I just managed and I moved in Snowflake and DBT. So that was also a new for me, and I can't say to the company that I am not able to learn that Snowflake and DBT, but it's still I started work on that project. But I was not confident enough to crack the interviews. What I will do after that COVID will go on, and how I will achieve a good package. My confidence is like purely in low stage. So what I did, I just joined a I was searching a good courses so that I can crack the interviews and I am able to learn new things so that I will be confident enough to crack the interviews. So what I did, I joined the course, and previously when I didn't join the course, I was in touch with Devi when I cracked one certification. So she was very helpful, and even though I have not her student, still she was guiding me that yeah, you are able to do it. And she shared some PDF with me, and I cracked the certifications. After that, I was thinking, if someone is motivating you, it means God is giving some angel sign to you. So I just started preparation. I joined the course and I learned the new things. And the third company was IBM, and now I'm working in Persistent. So what I did, what I have learned, that uh, if you have done some projects, you only need to learn the basic things and the scenario based questions, so you are able to crack the interviews. So one by one, I have completed like a few weeks. I have spent the time on data factory side, and after that on Databricks side. After that, I have learned the PySpark and Python, so and SQL also. So I have prepared all these things, and uh, I have given like a 10 to 11 interviews, but I was stuck because I was not able to answer very confidently. That's why I was not able to crack the interviews. Then I shared this story with Devi. Devi said, "You are able to do it. Just do it more confidently. Now you are giving the answer very well, but you are not confident."
You
Yeah,
already know personally you, right? So you already
yeah,
know that, but sometimes you feel like, okay, and this is the reason I'm just telling you, Excel, definitely you can
yeah.
able to crack it. So that is the reason,
Mm.
right? A kind of like, because whatever we learn when you're speaking confidently, it will be like a very powerful impact, like when the interview phases.
Right, right. But you are my angel. For me, it's like if
Yeah.
I have a knowledge, but I'm unable to express my knowledge to the team, to the interview people. I feel like I'm not a that person who is working on the same domain. Previously BA, after that moved in a data engineer, then Snowflake DBT, and after that I was feeling like I have only 30-50 knowledge. And if you are a project lead, now I'm a project lead, I have to be like 100%, at least 100% knowledge I have to be in my field, so that I can guide to the team members.
Your dedication, actually. This will complete your dedication, your hard work. That is the main reason you got like in this much of package, because vendor has some kind of limitation. I'm the part of your journey. So I know how much you put effort, because after your marriage, as a newly word person, how arranging like a new family, even though you are studying hard in the night, late night also, right? That is a
Right, right.
of the dedication, actually. Dedication and commitment. That is the reason you achieve this much of package at this age. But it is really great achievement, Shalu, to be honest.
Yeah,
Shalu,
thank you so much. Yeah,
I
you are right. I totally forget that point that after marriage, you need to focus on career as well as you need to make a balance of your new family members and your career side. So what I did, I had joined the course and I have spent initially days, I have spent only 1 hour time. And after that, I started more on learning sides. So after that only I have able to achieve these things.
It will be really nice, Shalu, because I can understand because newlywed person how arranging all the things, right? So I think you
Yeah.
are very happy at this moment.
Yeah.
For segment, right? This is like a kind of a dream kind of package for everyone. So it will be
Yes.
really actually. Then, Shalu, one more question. I think community member are asking me. So you
Mm.
are transforming your career, right? So what are the interview questions you will be faced like really challenging, like an 11 interviews you attended, right? So what are
Yes.
the feel like very challenging and how you overcome those kind of questions?
Every time I stuck with the questions, they are asking about if you are handling the streaming data as well as the what kind of files you are getting and how you are integrating with the source files and why we are using the Azure Data Factory. So in my project, I was using the SAP HANA. So they are asking me how you are integrating, but I was not the part of the team of the
Okay,
integrator. So
migration, right? You are aware about SAP HANA.
yes.
Okay, okay. They
So
ask more question about that also, right?
right. Nowadays, everyone I think moving in on a cloud side. So migration related questions they are asking, and they're asking about the comparison between the Snowflake and ADF, and also Databricks. How the Databricks is useful. Why we are not able to schedule the jobs only data factory side. So we need to define the scenario of why it is useful and metal in architecture are asking to explain the spark architecture they are asking and some coding related questions also like they have given some data set to me and after that they are saying that we need to apply some logic on the transformation I need to apply on the data set side, so those coding questions also I have solved.
Okay. And Shalu, what do you think? Like it will be easy or it will be difficult or like a media kind of thing transformation? Because how you can motivate others?
If I can do it, I really say that it's easy. It's very easy, and if I can do it, everyone can do it.
Okay, great, Shalu.
Yes.
And one more thing, Shalu, any kind of thing, like a way of your preparation, right? So what is the timing or what are the things you did, like a way of transformation for your Azure Data Engineering career, and how you optimize your LinkedIn and your resume and everything to cracking or landing this dream package?
So I have used actually when I completed my college, I was a recruiter as well for 2 months. So I know how to search the resume. So there
Okay,
is some keywords on resume side you need to mention. So I have mentioned the data factory and ADF as well.
okay,
So those keywords that they searched and the same keyword you need to apply on your profile side and same keyword you need to apply on resume side. After that, if you are explaining the project in the project side also you need to mention what you are doing with the ADF or ADB and how you are using the PySpark or Python any language. So these things you need to mention in
okay.
your resume, so
That is
they
a
will
new
shortlist.
for me
Yeah.
also, Shalu.
Okay. Okay.
Because they need to highlight it, right? For example, ADF, we are using like an ingestion.
Hmm.
Databricks, what we done, and PySpark is this is we mentioned the project side also, right?
Yes, yes. In three location, you need to mention that the profile site so that they can shortlist your profile. After that, they can download your resume. So in resume also, you need to highlight on a skill that ADF, ADB, PySpark, Python, Snowflake, DBT. And after that, you're explaining the project. In project side also, you need to mention. Now you are able to select like so many companies. I'm getting selected in so many companies, but I'm unable to give the interviews.
Okay. I can understand because due to some family everything, right? Your time is very precise actually.
Time, yes, yes, because of the time. And after that, I got the package. So I thought that I should be like stabilized. I learn, and after that, I will again start new search.
It's a really one like a decision shadow because anyway you achieve like a good package, right? So next to moment, once you learn, you can you will get a better package also in the coming
Yes.
interview series. And one more thing, Shalu, do you think like a certification also, if you are like a certification, that will be also valid in the resume, right?
Yes, yes. At the time of client interview, they asked like how many do you have this particular certifications or not. So based on that, they select your profile.
Okay, that is also one of the criteria, right?
Okay, yeah, right, right.
Okay, shallow. And other than this, for example, the people need to do anything like an in like and they will be asking any kind of scenarios or like anything you want to give like a kind of input from your side to cracking perspective.
For cracking, you need to prepare the all the interview questions if that you have already shared the questions list, and most of the time, if you are able to answer those things, it is enough to crack the interviews. But scenario based, suddenly they can ask on the project wise. So
Uh,
like how the troubleshooting you are doing.
what they will be asking, we cannot able to. I think troubleshoot question is always they are asking.
Always they are asking.
Monitoring question. These are
Yeah.
the not asking every interview.
And what
Yeah.
kind of transformation you are applying,
Oh,
and like on which transformation, what kind of conditions you are applying, and what kind of Power BI report you are presenting. Even though
oh,
you are not a part of Power BI team, they are asking, do you know slight knowledge of the Power BI or table queue? So you can't say no, just say that yeah, I know the basic things of the Power BI. So I always said that I learned the basic things of the third party side tools as well.
okay, okay. That is also important, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, shallow. And finally, shallow, any kind of motivation or any kind of messages to the community.
My message is please, girls and boys, please do hard work and learn as much as you can. Just learn, don't think about the package. You will get a good package, but you need to focus on your skills. That is more and more important. You will get a respect in family, even in team member side. Like everywhere, knowledge is very respectful. So just get a good knowledge.
Okay, great, Shalom. Thanks for your amazing podcast, Shalom. So maybe your words will be motivating others also. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you,
time.
Dev. Thank you.